IT, ITES, BPO or Value-Added Services category of the Leaders of Tomorrow Awards 2012. And the winner is a company that was founded by one of the pioneers of the BPO revolution in India and has made significant contribution to India's global image in the IT sector. Meet the winner, Quattro Global Services. The BPO industry in India has been steadily on the rise, maintaining the top spot in the global scenario. Leveraging this growth and taking it to the next stage is Quattro Global Services. It's the brainchild of entrepreneur Raman Roy, widely regarded as the pioneer who shaped up the Indian BPO industry's global imprint.
We wanted to take this industry to the next level, to see what else can be done. So it was easy to name it Quattro, being our fourth venture, and the tagline of Beyond the Existing gave us the impetus of what we want to do to take it to the next level. Thinking to say that we'll actually take a payment on a credit card and offer BPO services to an end consumer. It was, when we conceptualized it, it was thought of a loony idea. Today it is one of our more profitable segments of the business.
We believe we are pioneers in the market in terms of what we have done, both in terms of our service offerings as well as our client base. And we hope to continue this path and continue to be the pioneers in the industry.
Straddling a unique market share, Quattro deals in offshore services ranging from business and knowledge process services to technical and gaming support, as well as banking and financial products. And regular in-house training units maintain these airtight processes and help Quattro keep up with the ever-evolving requirements of clients.
We've created our work methods and processes so that you don't need to be a genius to be able to do the work for our customers.
This is about standardization. This is about creating an efficient platform, a factory, let's put it this way. So instead of doing every customer's accounting in their own way, in processes which are not consistent, what you create is a factory.
With a network of offices spread over the major cities of India, Quattro has established a stronghold on the small and medium enterprise market in the United States. The future holds more innovative end-to-end solutions as well as expansion in terms of geographic reach. Quattro is now actively strategizing on taking its offerings to unusual target regions.
So far we've been primarily focused in the US. So we've hired somebody senior in the Asia Pacific region, and we are looking at offering services to banks and other clients in some of the newer countries like Vietnam and Cambodia and Indonesia and so on.
We think we can create products and brands from India. We've taken some baby steps in doing that. We are very pleased with the progress that we've made. But there is a long road ahead to be able to take it to the next level. I believe we deserve to win the award because we are trying to actualize tomorrow. The Beyond the Existing theme is all about tomorrow.
Investing original ideas and unrelenting persistence in the trade, Quattro has achieved a head start against any competition. With its strong grasp on several markets, the company aims to continue being the industry leader in the Indian BPO space for many years to come. Do join us again next week as we bring you some more success stories of the winners of the Leaders of Tomorrow Awards 2012. We'll also introduce you to our Woman Entrepreneur of the Year and the SME of the Year for 2012. So till next week, goodbye.